Welcome back, nail queens. Today I have a different video for you guys because I'm really just like trying on and reviewing a product that is very new to me from Born Pretty, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen these reflective gel polishes. They're supposed to be like really bright when you flash light on it. So that's what these 6 bottles are that Born Pretty sent me. So I'm actually going to try them out, swatch them out, and see if they really like live up to the hype, because I truly am curious. Alright, so my first impressions is this is truly a really like reflective, I have my lamp on, it is pretty bright, and the polish just out of the bottle reflecting against the light. It is pretty darn reflective. They also sent me 3 other like top coat, base coat, matte top coat. Apparently there was supposed to be the super glossy top coat, which is why I got a separate bottle. It was the first bottle I opened. But we're here for these reflective gel polishes. Like, who cares how shiny the top coat is? So as you can already tell, the way the light is hitting the glitters in here, it really does have like a really disco ball look to me. I don't know about you. I'm not really that good at describing things, so I'm like, why do I have a YouTube channel? I'm not that great. So I'm showing you guys the inside of every single color inside the bottle. Wow, that is beautiful. I love that. That has a blue tone to it. That is really gorgeous. I might actually have to wear that one of these days. I do have a couple space themed manis coming up because the Glam Nails Challenge May. Ooh, this one's nice too. Oh, this must be like the main color that I've been seeing everywhere. I've been seeing like a silver reflective polish. It doesn't have like any other tones to it, so. And then this one is this like rose gold? Is this their attempt at rose gold? I think so. I really don't know why there's 6. Like, you really just need one to do the job, right? Although that, ooh, this is like silver and purple, whereas the other one was silver and blue. So I really like, okay, I like these two. That's really more my vibe. Not the straight one color standard. And, oh, this one's a gold. Okay. So just like the silver, they have a gold version. Good to know. I will say though, rose gold really isn't my vibe. It is really pretty. You can see the light hitting it here, how reflective. It really does shine against the light. However, it is not really my vibe because I have pink undertones. So whenever I wear like a pinky color, it doesn't look pink on me. And then this is like the silvery color. I'm just showing you guys, like, I actually have my flashlight right underneath this. Out of shot, you can't see it. So I'm flashing my light on the swatch stick so that you can actually see the reflectiveness. So this isn't just like the swatch under my lamp. I actually have a flashlight beaming on it. So it is pretty cool to see how it all twinkles. I think that is really cool. But like, what do you do during the day when your hands aren't under like a direct light source? Does it look kind of dull? Does it look kind of boring? Like, I have questions here. Do you wear this for just fun, like a night out in the club? Or are you gonna do this, like, wear this manicure for 2 weeks like some people who go to the salon do? This is the one with the purple undertones. I like it. And then this is the gold. I like this gold one. I will say, I do like this gold one. Since I have red undertones, golds are yellow based most of the time, so they look really, I think, good on me. I'm not sure. Toot toot, tooting my own horn. So here I have all 6 colors that were included in this kit, swatched side by side, so you can see the differences between each of them. And I am kind of trying to move my light so you can see the reflectiveness as well. So I will say the ones I think have like the best flash are definitely the silver one and the gold. But I'm very drawn to the ones with the blue and purple undertones. So don't judge me. Obviously I had to try this on my nails. But I tried on the Kiara Sky jelly tips. Y'all, I did not shape them well. So don't judge me, please. So they're these, I have this stiletto one, so I cut the tips off to make them more like square. I should have shaped them better, but I applied the tips I applied the gel polish, and then I glued them to my nails. Does that make sense? Like, I did them separately. I did all that, like no gel polish was on my nails until after the tips were all cured, and then I glued them on. Kind of like a press-on. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm still trying, like, let's get past the jelly tips onto the color. I don't know how I feel about this color on my hands, on my skin. Like, it's not that great. Maybe I should have tried a different color, but I was like already done all the work. I don't know, I feel very underwhelmed by it, but right here, when I stay very still and I'm doing like the Christine pose from Simply Nailogical, the way she like moves her hand in her videos for her Holo Taco brand, I feel like I get more of like the look that I see in the ads that I see online. But other than that, I don't think that this would be a polish that I would wear like normally, like to work, to a 9 to 5, out with like friends or anything. Like, it's cool for pictures, but other than that, I felt like it just like it didn't do any well. Like, it didn't look that great when it wasn't under direct light the way it is here. That's just my thoughts. So if you guys like this type of look, definitely let me know in the comments below if this is the type of look that you like to do, and if you really do like these polishes, because I definitely want to know your thoughts. And then here I'm actually using my phone camera so you can see the different look. Like, now I feel like I'm getting the look that I see in the ads a little bit more. It definitely looks different depending on the camera you're using and the lighting you have. So the angle and the lighting is different. So that's just my thoughts, my feelings. I definitely want to know your thoughts and feelings, so definitely drop a comment below and be sure to like and subscribe. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.